Volleyball girls for this afternoon.
Oo, again, ang sinasabi ko is a deja vu afternoon,
Mm-mm.
no? T-Tech versus Agility Women's Volleyball and nagharap po sila nung nakaraang season sa ICCSF Season 1 for the Women's Volleyball Championship.
Championship.
And maghaharap na naman po sila dito ngayong hapon sa game na to. And isang magandang laban to, Panyero Otto, no?
Mm. As you can see, nag-shake hands na sila to start.
Shake
And,
hands lang yan, pero
mm-mm.
matinding bakbakan to.
Oo, yung
T-Tech has Molina and a few other new members of the
yes,
T-Tech
new
volleyball
faces
team.
ang nakikita
And
natin
also,
dito.
we have the veterans of Sagility, Laganya. We have Magno as for the
Yes.
setter. And we have Dalanon, Di Fiesta, and the other members of Sagility Volleyball last season are still there and
Mm-mm.
still intact.
Yes.
And sabi ko nga, Panyero Otto, no, isang magandang laban to between the two teams.
Yes. And may mga new faces din ng Sagility. New recruits for their
Mm.
team.
We have Burro, no,
Yes.
Burro,
Boreo.
and I think it's Burro,
Mm.
Burro,
Okay.
and may sinasabi ka kanina sa akin,
Padernal.
Panyero Otto, no,
Oo.
yung isang player ng Sagility na naglalaro sa national ng Sepak Takraw Women's,
Yes.
no?
Oo.
And
Ah,
that's number 2, I think.
oo, as I remember, sila yung nag-represent for the regional nun. And umabot pa ata ng national. I don't know. Hindi ako masyado updated but I'm sure kasama siya doon.
Well, let's see how this game will go. But for now, we'll to our sponsors, mga ka-ISEMs, and we will be back when the game
Yes.
starts. Thank you so much and
Abang-abang
stay
lang.
tuned po, abang-abang dito sa isang magandang laban na to. Stay tuned. We will be back.
Intro. haluin mo ako sa liwanag ng iyong pagmamahal. Kailangan makita na natin yung mga apelyido nila. Ay, sure. Para ma-address lang natin sila ng maayos.
And we are back mga ka-ISEMs, and again this is Kuis Bing together with
Panyero Ot,
on
syempre.
this gloomy Sunday afternoon.
Yes.
And this is ISEM's ICCSF Intercall Center Sports Fest Season 2, a
Hmm.
women's volleyball game. And again, sabi ko nga kanina,
Yes.
Panyero Otto, no?
Mm-hmm.
Looking back from the previous season, these two titans, nagkalaban sila sa
Face
championship
off.
last season, no? Season 1 of ICCSF.
Championship.
Sagility and D-Tech.
Yes.
And on that game, nanalo po ang Sagility. And let's see how will D-Tech play this game
Mm-hmm.
in this gloomy Sunday afternoon.
Yes, medyo makulimlim pero ang init ng laban is ramdam pa rin natin
Actually, hindi
dito.
pa naglalaban, Panyero.
Mm-mm.
Maglalaban pa lang. Mainit ang paglalabanan
Mm-mm.
ng dalawang teams.
Yes, of course. Ramdam natin yung heat nito
Oo.
from last season's memories. Yan. Ang kwento ng match-up natin ngayon is will Sagility defend what they have from
Defend their win last
Mhm.
time, no?
and eto it's the ano naman revenge or bench ng ng Teletech dito for this afternoon.
I agree, I agree. And medyo kinakausap pa sila ni Coach.
Mhm.
Pero we'll start the game with Sagility serving
Yes.
in this first set of this women's volleyball game.
And here we go mga ka-ISEMs. Service.
Service
Yun.
error
Wow.
there by Sagility, and T-Tech gets the point for that.
Yeah. Medyo kinapos pero mamaya makukuha na niya yung range niya dyan for that
Oo.
services.
Medyo ano pa nagiinit pa lang.
Mhm.
Hindi pa nagagamay kung ano yung range.
Yes.
T-Tech serves.
Magno.
Sets for Laganya.
Mhm.
And a save there by T-Tech. Magno to Laganya again. Laganya with a kill.
Oh!
And it's an out. And T-Tech scores it.
Outside nga lang yon, kuya.
Ganda nung kuha na yun, no?
Mhm.
Pero yun nga lang, it's an outside kill by Laganya there. 1-1 is the score. Service for T-Tech. Magno sets again for Laganya. Laganya with a kill. Dig by number 15. And good return by T-Tech there. Magno again to Laganya. And good block by Molina in the net. And that's a
Mhm.
score for T-Tech.
Parang 3-0, Kuis Bing.
Parang championship lang, Panyero.
Ang score natin 3-0, hindi pa nakaka-score ang ating
3-0.
oo. Kasi service error kanina. We're just fixing our score here.
Sorry,
Pero
the
eto,
score
Magno
is,
setting up.
3-0.
Ang ganda nun! It's just a drop, a tip from number 9 ng Sagility. From Laganya.
And the score for Sagility.
Yes.
Magno to serve for Sagility. Magno, good serve and good return.
Molina!
With a kill.
Mm.
Hindi na nakuha na i-save pa ni number 2 yung tira na
Atake
yun,
ni Molina.
Molina.
Yes.
And that's score for T-Tech.
Magno,
Magno.
Laganya attacks. Pero ito Molina,
Returns
binalik na
the
lang.
ball. Magno again sets for Laganya with a kill.
Oh!
Nung palo na yun,
Mhm.
Laganya doon.
The,
And
the accuracy is there from Laganya.
The power
Mhm.
is there, no? 4-2 is the score. Sagility or T-Tech still in control.
Yes.
Dalanon will be serving for Sagility. Good short serve, and it's a service
Oo.
error. So that's a score for T-Tech.
We will just fix our scoreboard mga ka-Isaac. Pero eto Molina on the service. Magno setting it up. Medyo malakas. Pero eto, number 15. Lalagpas. Soft touch na naman from Laganya. And a score for Sagility on that play. Laganya is all over the place. And she is providing points for Team Sagility for this set 1.
5-3 is the score, Panyero.
Yes.
And again, another serve for Team Sagility. What a save!
Oy, buhay pa, buhay pa, buhay pa.
Ang ganda naman ng serve nung save na yun ni Tawela. Magno says for
Yun nga lang.
Yung tira na yun and near the net.
Yes.
And it's a score for T-Tech.
Nice attempt but not executed well.
Oo, pero magandang hustle na ginagawa dito ng T-Tech, no?
Oo.
When it comes to their
Oo,
saves and
nabuhay pa
takes.
nila yon. And
T-Tech serves. Number 2 to
eh,
Magno. Magno returns it. Molina.
to number
Set for
15.
number 15. And good save there by Sagility.
Eto, another set na naman.
14 to Corolla.
Yes! Eto, over na lang to.
Talanon.
Bibigay na lang yan.
Returns. Ang ganda ng exchange dito for both teams. Here comes
Another
number
set.
15. And a save there again by Laganya. Laganya.
Sila naman yung
Sagility.
babawi. Oh!
Score for Sagility there.
Napakagandang rally nun.
Ang ganda ng rally.
Yes.
Both teams exchanging.
Mm-mm.
And nagwagi doon yung Sagility.
Yes.
Sa kill ni Laganya. Here's a service for Sagility. Number 6 serving.
Molina, receive it. Uy!
It's an error.
Oo.
And a score for Sagility.
Service ace from Sagility.
Oo, it's a service ace.
Balik naman kay number 6 ang serving.
Good serve by number 6. Good return.
Nako,
by
narigalo na lang to.
Magno to Laganya again. Laganya
Soft touch. Pero eto,
Corcola. A good save by Laganya. And number 2.
Another set.
With a kill. Corcola.
eh,
Magno sets.
we are
kills. And it's a short one.
medyo
Sayang yung exchange sa'yo. Medyo naalanganin si ano doon. Si
Laganya.
So it's 7-5. 2-point lead for T-Tech.
Yes. O yung ganda ng service na yun, ha?
Oo, number 2. Good save there.
Corcolia.
Good return for both teams then.
Oo, eto na naman si Laganya.
Oh,
Save.
it's out.
Oy!
Good effort though by Corcolia, no? She saved it, pero
Kaso,
hindi na kinaya.
hindi na control yung bola kung saan pupunta.
Oo, and it's a score for
Yes.
Sagility, no?
Oo.
7-6 is the score.
Eto.
Good save there, Corcolia. What up? Save by Laganya. Laganya gets the ball.
Eto.
Number 14.
Set from
Number
on.
4 to Corcolia.
Corcolia, what a kick!
It's still
Magno.
alive. The ball is still alive. Number 17.
Ibabalik na lang.
Returns it. Sets again for
Corcola.
And
Eto, Magno, bibigyan na.
Talanon, binigyan.
Oy! Ay, buhay pa! Buhay pa! Buhay pa!
The game is still in play.
Yes, he's still alive! Yun nga lang!
For Laganya.
That is the second time Laganya is coming up short sa kanya mga attempt.
Correct. And nakita mo naman medyo naalanganin yung set doon, no?
Mm-mm.
Medyo hindi dun sa eyesight ni Laganya.
Oo.
Pero nevertheless, T-Tech scores it 8-6
Mm-mm.
in this first set.
Dikit ang laban mga ka-ISMs. Kapit lang sa ating mga team na pinupusuan. Pero ito,
Corcolia. Nice serve.
we are back.
Medyo napuputol tayo pero it's a struggle with connection.
Yes, pero tuloy-tuloy dito ang action. Laganya, niregalo na lang. Ong, for the set. Medyo malayo kay Molina. Yun lang. Medyo na miscommunicate sila sa pag-set ni from Ong and Molina connection. Pero eto, number 17.
Dalanon on
yes.
the serve. Good serve.
Malakas.
Pero sobra. Outside.
Mhm. Balik.
12-11 or 12 all is the score.
Oo, balik kay Molina ang serbisyo. Nice serve.
Nice serve by T-Tech.
Eto, Laganya on the attack.
Laganya on the attack.
Kaya, hindi nga lang.
Sa Lunitawela yun, no? Kulang
Mhm.
yung power na binigay niya doon. So,
Oo.
that's a score for Sagility.
And the ball control.
Lamang na nga ang Sagility dito sa first set na to.
Oo. Eto, Laganya.
13 is the score. Laganya on the serve. Ganda ng serve. Pero mukhang may pito.
Oy, mali yung rotation.
Mali yung rotation.
Yun.
So,
Napaka eagle eye ng mga referee natin dito
Oo.
on that. Tayo hindi natin napapansin pero sila
so
kitang-kita.
that's a score for T-Tech there. with that error
And
from
et
Maganya.
and eto, papasok si Sabido para kay Escordial.
Sabido.
Mm-mm.
Sabido pumasok na para kay Escordial.
Yes. Pero
So
eto,
number
number...
20 short. That's a
Mm-mm.
service error for number 20 from T-Tech, and it's a score for Sagility.
Yes.
14-13 is the score.
Oo.
And sabi ko nga, Panyero Otto kanina, nagsisimula tayo, isang mainit na game to dahil
Yes.
these are rivals from the ICCSF Season 1. And they are standing to it.
Oh, yung ganda ng
Ganda ng
pag-over
save ni
ni
Sabido.
ano.
Number 2 returns the ball.
Ong, setting up for Corcola.
Wow!
Oy!
There by Corcolia.
Grabe naman yung ball control niya doon. Alam niya kung nasan, saan niya papaluin and saan may espasyo yung
Tama-tama
kabilang
na
court.
yung puwersa na binigay niya.
Mm-mm.
No? And again, it's a tight ball game here
Napaka
between the two teams.
dikit ang laban natin mga ka-ISEMs and very exciting. Pero ito,
Ito, short service, Judelino
Oo.
with an error there. And lalamang na naman po ang Sagility, mga ka-ISEMs dito.
dalawang service error nang
Oo.
nabibigay ng Teletech dito.
15-14 is the score.
Eto, Sabido on the service. Number 10 from Sagility.
Nice serve there by Sabido.
Yes. Pero set up si Ong pero
may
medyo
tawela.
malayo.
Returns it, Magno.
Eto, Magno
Sets for
setting up.
Dalanon.
Dalanon,
Nice
soft touch lang.
there, oo.
Tawela, bibigyan ng Corcola. Eto, Magno, another set.
again.
Ibibigay kay number 2. Malakas,
So,
pagilid. Mm-mm.
Maganda sana yung power kaso
Oo.
yung angle ng
Yes.
tira niya hindi niya na control to.
Oo.
And it's score for T-Tech. So again,
Tie
it's a
ball
setup.
game.
Tight ball game between the two.
Eto, Corcolia on the service. Ang ganda ng serbisyo. Pasok pa yon on the end of the line dun sa kabilang court, mga ka-ISEMs.
Scores.
Mhm.
That one, 16-15 is the score.
Yes, eto.
Uy, thank you so much, Miss Alona Grazel Yap. Go Naganya, shout out sa'yo.
Oy!
Thank you for the 10 stars.
Yes,
Miss Alona.
Pero on that play, Dalanon giving that attack and a point for their team.
Oh, and it's 16 all already for the
For the set 1 natin. Pero eto, number
set
2.
one.
Ong. Tumulina. The attack.
And that's another score.
For Sagility. Medyo short lang yung atake doon ni Molina.
Oo, 17-16 is the score in favor of Sagility.
Oo. Para tayong palitan lang ng lamang dito ang nangyayari.
Hindi pa nakakalamang ng malaki yung
Oo.
teams dito, pa isa-isa lang. What a save by Dalanon.
Pero malakas. Ong. Setting up for Molina again. Soft touch lang pero
Magno gets it in Lagana.
nabasa yun.
What a shot there.
Yes.
What a skill shot there by Lagana.
Oo. Ang ganda ng read doon ni Magno na maibigay pa niya kay Lagana and for Lagana to attack.
Oo, and a timeout is called by T-Tech.
Yes.
Score is 16-18 in this first set, in this
Yes.
last first set for both teams, and we will be back, mga ka-ISEMs.
Yes, kapit lang mga ka-ISEMs. We'll be back. Ganda. Ganda ng rally ng mga first 10 to 15 points. Balikan talaga. Ang labanan, bawal magka-error sa receive. Oo, no? We'll be sending stars.
And balik po tayo dito sa
Yes.
natikabong laban between
Mm.
T-Tech and Sagility. Score is 16-18.
The heat of the action
Oo,
from both
and,
teams.
Grabe yung init ng laban dito, and both teams are not really
Letting up.
Oo.
Mm.
Corcolia is a key for T-Tech here, no?
Yes.
Number 2, nice serve. Good
Eto.
dig there.
Setting up
Oh,
again.
to Tawela.
Tawela.
Magno gets it. Number 2 to Laganya. Laganya returns
Eh,
it. Molina digs it. Ong sets for Tawera.
maganda yun.
Touch.
Pero eto.
And the same. Oy!
Uy!
Communication error there for
Mhm.
D-Tech. And that's a score for Sagility.
Kinapos ng pag-receive doon.
Oo. And,
Sa gitna.
hindi nagkatinginan lang sila. Panirong auto. No?
Oo. Medyo na-delay kung sino yung magpa-follow up or follow through sa
Dun
pag-receive.
sino magsisave dun sa possession na yun. No?
Yes.
Pero good effort by Corcolia when
Mhm.
she noticed na walang sumalo.
Oo.
She dives in. So, galing.
Kaso hindi nga lang umabot. Pero eto, balik na naman sa serbisyo.
Good
Corcolia.
save there by Corcolia. Ong to Tawela.
Dalano.
Magno sets for
Eto,
Laganya.
Laganya,
And
yun oh!
again, a good save
Buhay pa, buhay
by
pa!
Tawela. Laganya again. Udelino saves it. Number 29.
Oy!
Dalano save and a soft touch by Laganya.
Buhay pa! Kaya pa to?
Ang ganda ng return naman dito. Panyerong Otto, Laganya. Kills it.
Oy! Buhay pa! Buhay pa! Ang ganda! Oh!
What a shot there or what a kill there by Laganya. Return.
Kung makikita nyo mga ka-ISEMs, ilang crucial save yung ginawa ng Teletech doon.
Oo, nag-detect, no? And they fell short dun sa
On the last attack ni...
And an outside serve.
Yun,
Error
naputol.
by, number 2, score for D-Tech here.
Oo.
And Sagility is 5 points away from their first set.
Oo, para makasungkit to.
Ong. Uy,
Yun.
short sa service error for Ong.
Yan yung kailangang iwasan ngayon ng Teletech kasi 4 point na lang or 4 points na lang to get this set
I agree, no? And yung mga service error nila dapat
malesen.
binabawasan nila or
Oo.
nililesen nila or ina-avoid nila. No?
Yes, accurate service
Oo.
ang kailangan
Pero
nila.
maganda yung ginagawang hustle dito ng D-Tech.
Oo,
which
yung
is,
kanina.
they're hustling to save the ball and everything, no?
I think before maka-score sila Ganya doon, 3 to 4 times silang nag-save ng bola doon.
3 to 4 times. Pero
Keeping the ball alive.
ang ganda din ng awareness ng Sagility dun sa play na yon.
Oo.
With the Lanon with a save, Magno with a save,
Yes.
and Laganya with a
Attack.
kill attack.
Mhm.
And hindi lang nakapaghanda dun sa kill na yun.
Hindi na nakabalik eh. Medyo siguro medyo napagod sila doon sa ilang sunod nilang
Oo.
pag-save. But eto, hindi na nga tayo nakapag
Panyero Otto, it's a matter of your will to survive
Oo.
doon sa exchanges na yon, no?
Doon makikita yung cardio ng mga players natin kung hanggang saan. Hanggang saan sila kayang tumakbo, habulin yung bola to make it alive.
Oo. And Galindo will come in for Umawas, number 20. Pero isang key sa T-Tech yung setter nila na si Ong.
Yes.
Magaling siyang mag-set dito.
Ang ganda ng set niya. Pero ito, service ace
Service ace there.
from Magno.
Oo, from Magno.
Yung sabi ko nga, traditional yung ginagawa doon ni Ong sa kanya mga service, hindi siya overhead.
Oo, 20 to
Set.
17. Magno with a serve.
Molina,
returns
binalik
it.
lang. Magno,
Magno, tulagan niya.
ay, kitang-kita ni Tawela yon.
Kita ni Tawela yun. And Tawela with a return.
Sabido,
Dito.
eto, iba, ireregalo na lang to.
Oo, set again.
Hoy!
Out.
Good read from
Oo.
Corcolia.
Good read kay Corcolia, no? Hindi niya na
Oo.
or ano.
Pero I think sinabihan siya ni Udelmo na, oy, wag na.
Oo.
Out na yan.
Good awareness.
Oo.
Both teammates.
Yes.
Tawela with a serve.
Eto Magno, setting up.
Laganya.
Laganya, soft touch! Oy!
Mag and Laganya red.
Yes!
Red that gap from the off.
I love the dive or the hustle of Corcolia on that
Oo.
play, but hindi nga lang niya na-control. Nakuha niya pero walang control yung ano eh.
Masyado na siyang
Oo.
nakababa. And it's a short for Galino.
Yes. Service ace from Dalanon.
For Sagility, 24-18. Isa na lang po para makuha ng
Oo.
Sagility itong set
Match
ito.
point mga ka-SMs, kapit
Oo.
lang. Pupuso pa ba dito ang Teletech?
Molina
Molina, ibibigay kay Yodelmo. Nako, eto. Chance na ng sa agility. Medyo malakas. Yodelmo setting up. Uy, ang ganda nun. Pero kaya pa yun ni number 6. Eto. Eto. Molina, medyo malayo. Drop lang. Yoy! Buhay pa! Buhay pa! Buhay pa mga ka-Icems! What a hustle from Teletech! Eto! Oy! Eto, Molina, the attack! Magno setting up for Laganya! Dado!
What a set point by Laganya!
Yes!
And Sagility wins that set.
Yes, pero hindi mo maikatatanggi yung puso ng Teletech doon on that last play.
With the exchange and the will to get the ball.
Yes.
Talagang ibang klase, no? Pero si Laganya, yung katapangan niya, no?
Oo.
Ibalik yung bola with an attack.
Yes, and kita niya kung saan yung maluwag eh.
She read the gap in the defense na naman in that situation.
And pwesto yun ni Molina, yung kaka-atake niya lang kasi doon. Kaya medyo hindi siya nakabalik on that position. And that is the key na nakita doon ni Laganya and attack it from that side.
I agree. And again, Sagility wins the first set. And
Yes.
mga ka-Icems will be back
Yes.
after this with the second set.
Kapit pa, meron pa tayo mga set. Ganda nun.
Ang ganda ng tira na yun.
First game pa lang. Gabi na tayo, eh. Hindi. First. Ano? 2.5. Dito na yung Kerlo, no? Excited na sila. Konti rin sila eh. And Corcolia. Gani. Oo. Very good. Very accurate. May mga miss set. Oo. Yes.
This exciting and hot game between Sagility and T-Tech Manyamoto. Ano
Yes.
sabi mo sa first set natin?
Yes, Coach Bing, very exciting. Dikit, pero Teletech came up short. Short dun sa last play. Medyo malayo-layo yung hahabulin nila dun that time. Pero the heart is there and makikita pa rin natin to sa second set
Oo,
natin.
sabi nga natin, second set back to 0.
Mhm.
T-Tech has to get this set para medyo makabawi-bawi sila doon sa
Yes.
first set na yun. And
We're trying to, ayun.
nagdadasal pa po lahat mga kaibigan, mga
Hindi,
ka-Icems.
chinecheck ni
May dumaan
Coach
pong
Ref
Angel.
yung
And
mga
it's
players sa loob.
It's T-Tech's service.
Yes, Corcolia. Oo, ang ganda ng performance ni Corcolia nung first set natin.
Gandang hustle, no?
Eto, service.
Good
Very
serve.
sharp. Yun nga yung sabi ko, very sharp. Medyo nawala ng control doon pero nakabawi. Eto, magandang set na naman for Molina. Uy!
And the score for T-Tech.
Gumapang yung atake doon ni Molina. And nabigla doon yung Sagility. Pero eto, Corcolia again. For the service.
Yung
Yun.
service ni Corcolia, it's a strong and flat service,
Oo,
no?
very sharp din.
Oh, pero score doon ang sa agility,
Yes.
it's 1-all.
And naayusin muna ni Magno yung kanyang shoelace dito before siya mag-service. And all one tayo mga ka-ISEMs. And maraming salamat nga po pala sa ating mga live viewers dyan. Like, share, and follow ating official page. Eto, Magno on the service ace ang binigay niya para sa kanyang team. And we will have a 2-1 ang ating score. Eto, Magno again on that service. Na-receive naman. Eto, medyo struggle. Pero kuha pa yon ni Molina. Magno setting up for Laganya. Tumama kay Molina. And puntos para sa agility again. And that is 3-1 ang ating score dito mga ka-Isens. Pero eto, Magno, parang swerte yung pagsintas ng lace niya dito. Another service for her. Eto, setting up. Ibabalik na lang ni Ong. Sabido on that receive. Magno setting up again for Laganya. That attack. Hindi na control ni Yudelmo. Grabe ng atake yon.
That's a score for agility.
And also, nice setting up from her teammate para mas accurate yung attack doon ni Laganya. Magno again. Medyo hindi na niya na-control yung servisyo niya doon.
Officials natin doon, and that's a score for T-Tech, no?
Yes. Mapuputol yung scoring streak nila doon. Pero eto.
Shout out to Noy Jun. Shout out serving. Send stars.
Yes.
Noy Jun, Parikoy. And
Oy!
PG Altas. Go T-Tech.
Pero service ace on that play from Ong. Medyo loose control doon si Laganya. Hindi na nahabol ng teammate niya sa gitna. Pero eto, another service from Ong. Magandang serbisyo pero na-receive na ni Laganya. Eto si Netap! Wow!
Good kill for Laganya.
Grabe! Accurate attacks from Laganya.
And that's a score for agility.
Yes.
3 is
You
the
know?
score.
And the stare down. Parang meron eh.
Corcolia.
Pero eto, bibigay na ni Yudelmo. Magno.
says,
Uy!
So, touch ang ganda naman.
Grabe
yun.
naman yon.
Isang magandang return
Oo.
from Magno there.
Kawat lang, puntos agad.
Oo, and agility scores that one.
Yes,
6-3.
nagulat. Ang split second na hindi ka makareact is very important. Pero
It's
eto,
a service error
yeah.
from Dalanon.
Eto, Tawela.
Awela will serve for T-Tech.
Oo, pero lalabas dito si Dalamon.
Oo. Laganya with the save.
Eto, Laganya. Oy! Oy!
Parang naalanganin
Oo.
siya doon yung talon niya.
Pati yung pagbagsak niya, I hope she's okay with her feet.
Oo. And
Medyo na
first
out of
things
balance.
first, the safety of our players.
Yes.
So, mga ka-players, dahan-dahan lang po.
Oy!
Awela with a service error.
Medyo inatake ni Tawela si referee doon
Coach doon.
Oo, pero it's okay. It happens.
5-7 is the score.
Yes, Laganya ito.
Laganya with a serve.
Uy, sharp
Good
nung serve na yun
Tawela digs in.
Pero eto,
Sets for Molina.
oo, magandang
Good save.
setup na naman yun. Pero eto, babawi daw dito yung sa agility.
Ong again sets for Molina.
Molina? Oy.
Save by Laganya.
Oo, pero ito medyo
Medyo dikit na yun. Mahirap ng kunin yung Panyero. Medyo dumikit yung bola doon sa net, no?
Pero loose control yung nangyari pa nga doon na
Oo.
over lang. Pero it came up good for the side of agility.
Favor of agility.
Pero eto, Laganya on the service again. Napaka-sharp ng service na yon, pero kayang-kaya daw.
Ibinigay kay Molina. Molina
Oo.
returns it. Escordial.
Eto,
Magno
Magno.
sets for Escordial.
Oy!
A punch shot pero hindi tinamaan yung bola doon. So that's a score for T-Tech.
And
Shout out to John Ray.
Shout out sa'yo.
Hermias Solido.
Molina on the
Let's go sa
serve.
GT Shout out.
Magno setting up. Another sneaky move from Magno.
No? The sneaker.
Sneak attack lang yon.
Sneak attack by Magno there.
And the accurate.
Oh, sorry. It's 9-6.
Oo. 9-7.
9-7.
Bago lang naka-service error na naman yung sa agility.
9-7 is the score.
Balik ang service sa Teletech. Yun. Magandang serbisyo yun, pero eto,
Escordial gets it. Molina.
Ong.
With a set for
Oo.
By Laganya.
Sabido, uy! Eto, first time natin nakita si Ong na mag-overhead set. Marunong pala siya. So, ibig sabihin, she knows how to set.
Oo.
Alam niya kung kailan gagamitin ang overhead set.
Correct. And Magno returns it.
Eto,
Molina.
to Corcola. Uy,
Laganya.
eto, Molina.
Binigay
Bibigay.
kay Corcolia.
Oo.
Returns it. Laganya. Dig set.
Set,
Magno,
medyo
Laganya.
malayo. Pero kaya pang ipalo.
Good
Yun
kick
lang.
by Molina, pero medyo
Alanganin.
alanganin na si Ong
Oo,
to, no?
oo. Kahit habulin siguro ni Ong yun, baka sumobra siya dun sa linya. So Sabido, nagsisigawan dito yung mga fans niya on the
Oo.
court. Pero eto, sobra.
Wala, nakuha ni Magno, Dalanon with a...
Oy!
Pasok.
Pasok.
Nila mag-out doon, pero that's a score for Agility.
Yes, pasok. Eto, balik na naman kaya Sabido.
11-8 is the score. Lamang ng tatlong sa Agility.
Tatlo na hinahabol ng Teletech dito.
Sabido with a serve. Short.
Yun lang.
Error for Sabido.
Out of control for that service. And eto, chance na naman ng Teletech para makabawi.
Udelmo for the serve. Good serve by Udelmo.
Uy!
Return by Sabido.
Naku naman!
Hindi pa nakuha yun.
Oo. And makikita mo doon na napangiti na lang doon si Sabido kasi alam niya na lose
Oo.
control siya sa receive noon, pero it came up another
Score.
fortunate na naman sa team nila yon.
Sa
Oo.
Agility scores that one.
Eto,
Ong with a set for Tawela.
traditional set and a score.
Nice score for Tawela.
Napakaganda ng setup na yon. It really came up from the set, no? Para
Oo.
makapalo talaga ng
Correct.
maayos yung attackers natin or spikers natin.
Oo, correct. And Ong
Nas-
has been doing a good job
Yes.
for Tech as well as Magno for
Oo,
Agility.
tama. They both have a good setter here. Pero balik sa agility yung serbisyo. Eto, habol ni Ong. Pero Udelmo, over na lang. Pero Magno, setting up for Laganya. Medyo short nga lang. Yes. Pero another attack na naman. Eto, Ong, setting up for Tawela. On the tata. Uy! Uy!
Pero
Oo.
yung tira niya na doon, yung balik niya.
Nakakita kasi ng opportunity doon si Tawela, kaso naalanganin siya ng pagpalo.
Alanganin yung talon niya.
Mhm.
That's why it came up short.
Yes, eto Magno on the service again. Ong, setting up. Tawela, babawi. Yun nga, sabi ko sa iyo.
Outside.
Bumawi si Tawela on that attack. And that is from setting up na naman ni Ong doon,
11-14 is the score. Tatlong lamang dito ng Agility. Ong with a serve.
Magno.
Sets for Laganya.
Tulugan niya, short nga lang. Oy, hindi na nag-over. Oo.
Double touch si
Kasi
Laganya.
hindi naman na 'yon umabot.
Oo, and a score for T-Tech. Laganya. Molina Molina returns it. Laganya sets.
Magno
sets for
to Laganya. Medyo alanganin lang, pero eto.
Molina returns it.
Oh, to Molina! Oy!
Cordial, pero
Pero
bihis yung bola.
yes, sabi ko nga, another good setup for our spikers to get that point. And that,
It's a score for Titec. 13-14 is the score.
yes, dalawang sunod na atake ng Teletech doon ang naging successful and
Oo.
napa-time out na nga dito yung agility, and that's strategical and a good time out from them para
Oo, and,
maputol yung streak nila dito.
Correct, and we will be back mga ka-ISS.
Yes.
13-14 in the second set in favor of Agility.
Yes.
And we will be back mga ka-ISS.
Lawan. Ano na?
And we are back mga ka-ISS in the second set. 13-14 is the score in favor of Agility. And
Yes.
shout out to Leo Mar Kitty Ion. He says shout out kay Coach Tita Boats sa Agility
Yes.
and Tile MP Goes Agility.
Yes, shout out sa inyo, sa ating mga commentators dyan. Keep it coming and we will have time to read that for you.
Oh,
Pero
for the
eto,
serve.
Laganya. Oy, Magno, sneaky attack na naman.
Tumulina.
Ay, sobra na yon, pangatlo na yon. Medyo hindi nag-connect yung pag-setup doon ni Tawela for Molina. Pero eto, balik sa agility.
15-13 is the score. Agility still leads. This set.
Sharp yung service doon ni Dalanon, pero nakuha pa rin yun ng Teletech. Pero eto,
Laganya returns it. Ong saves it. Corpolia
yes,
returns it.
Molina on that.
Magno. Cesper Laganya.
Oy!
The net.
Kita mo yung... Pero makikita mo doon, may iniwang stair doon si Laganya.
And it's a point for Agility.
Oo. Parang may
Grabe,
statement
yung
doon si
stare
Laganya.
down, no? Stare down.
Yes, may statement sa tingin na yon si Laganya to Tawela. Pero that is a part of the sport.
Molina returns it. Magno.
Eto, Laganya! Wow! Yun nga lang.
With that kill.
Grabe yung match up natin. Laganya versus Tawela. Tawela has the ability to block Laganya on that play, pero Laganya recovers.
Oo. And sabi ni Laganya, hindi na pwede sa akin yung block mo.
Ibabalik at ibabalik, pero eto, napalakas.
Yung
Servisyo ni
serve na yun,
Dalano.
it's an error.
Eto, Tawela naman ang magseserbisyong totoo para sa Teletech.
Lizel Villaruz, shout out.
Yes.
Sabi niya, go Agility.
Yes, shout out sa'yo. Uy! Eto, Molina.
saves.
Molina on the attack.
Good save
Uy!
there.
Uy, Laganya!
Laganya.
Napaluhod pa nga siya doon,
Oo.
pero eto, setting up for Molina. Soft touch. Nako, nagkabungkuan, pero buhay pa ang bola. Eto, Molina again. Pero nakabalik na dito yung agility.
Number 6
Oo.
goes to Laganya.
Laganya. Binalik lang. Magno, binalik din.
Binalik din.
Soft touch
Laganya,
from Ong.
binalik na naman.
Tawela. Medyo alanganin, pero Molina. Inaabot niya yon.
To Laganya.
Napakahaba na ng rally na to, Koisbing. Pero
Oo,
eto,
kanya
Yudelmo.
Ang ganda ng balikan ng
Oo.
Magno, Cesper
Sino
Laganya.
makakakuha ng puntos?
Bang! By Laganya. What a kill.
Yes.
What a score for Agility.
Kakatanong lang natin sinong kukuha ng puntos, and Laganya execute that point for her team, mga ka-ISEMs.
Ang ganda ng exchange score for both teams. Ang tagal, pero
Oo.
Laganya
Oo.
still gets that one for Agility.
Yes.
What a serve.
Uy!
Hindi na kayanan ni Yudelmo
oo.
yung serve na yun. It is a score for Agility.
Service ace for Laganya.
19-14 is the score. 5 point lead.
Oo, medyo
for
napapalayo na
G-Tech.
dito. Umaalagwa na ng paunti-unti ang agility. Another service from Laganya. Kayang-kaya ni Tawela yan.
Molina to Yudelmo. Yudelmo returns it.
Eto,
Number 6.
there will be a set
Magno sets
for Sabido.
Wala kill.
Medyo malakas.
Officials
Oo.
natin. And G-Tech gets the score.
Balik sa kanila yung service.
15-19 is the official score. It's agility
Oo, and
leading by 4.
yes.
Out.
Mm.
Good sight by
Oo.
Laganya, no?
Good read on that. And talagang sinigaw niyang out na para
Oo.
marinig ng teammate niya. Kasi nakikita niya na i-receive pa sana. Pero
Number
eto,
6, Yudelmo
Eto.
takes it. Ong.
for Yudelmo, kuha nila niya yan.
Magno for Laganya.
Ibibigay sa kanya,
Ang
atake.
ganda nung block na yon.
Oo, eto.
And Corcola.
Corcola,
Magno sets
to
for
Escordial, Molina, kuha niya yan. Se-set up kay Corcola. Nag-agawan pa si Yudelmo and Corcola doon. Pero eto, Escordial, kuha yan ni Yudelmo. Umawas. Yun lang, walang communication.
Communication sila doon. And that gives Sagility the point.
Yes.
4 point more to get the second set for Sagility. 15-21.
Crucial
is the
moment.
score.
And yun na nga. Sub na lang dito ang ating Team Teletech.
Galindo
Papasok.
comes in for Umauas.
Umawas yan.
And you credit the defense of T-Tech.
Oo.
Ganda ng depensa nila ginagawa dito kay Sagility. Pero
Mas
mas nagpi-prevail
yung
sa
offense,
Sagility.
yes.
For
Uy!
What a kill!
Oo.
And a good effort for Laganya to
Oo.
save that ball.
Pina-
But T-Tech prevails on that one.
Pinadive dun si Laganya.
Oo. 16-21 is the score. Galindo,
Oo.
Escordial saves it.
Laganya,
returns.
ibibigay na lang.
Uy, nagkahiyaan pa sila dalawa. Niya si Corpole at si Tawela. No?
Oo, kasi parang may nagsabi akin na. And Corcolia gives it kaso hindi tinuloy ni Tawela on that.
Oo, and again, 3 more points to get the
Oo.
set for Sagility. 23-16. O 22-16 is the score.
Eto, Magno, setting up.
sets.
Dalanon.
Dalanon with a
Eto.
turn. Ong sets for Molina. Molina.
Oy, ang ganda nun!
Hindi nakita ng
Oo.
Drop doon.
Parang-
Nakascore si T-Tech.
Oo, follow up ano lang yung ginawa ni Molina doon and
A flick of a wrist.
mhm,
Baga.
parang rolling thunder yung atake doon. Pero eto nako!
Pero out na dapat.
Oo. Parang 3-9 na lang doon ni Sabido i-protect yung self niya siguro
Oo.
on that.
Para hindi tumama sa kanya.
Yes.
18-22 is the score. In favor pa rin ng Sagility.
Yudelmo, napaka-sharp nung serve na yun.
Returns it.
Eto, setting up. Corcolia, ang ganda nun pero kitang-kita yun ni Laganya.
Molina, digs.
Oy!
Umarang si Tawela kay
Oo.
was ready to get it and set it. Pero nasa harapan niya si Tawela.
Yes.
Hindi siya nakaiwas.
And
Sa score.
alam ni Tawela na si Ong yung magseset. Kaso hindi niya alam
Kung
saan daan
Oo.
dadaan.
It's 18-23. 2 more points for
Yes.
to get the set.
Pero eto,
Escordial.
Ong setting up again. To Tawela, babawi. Pero Magno, setting up for Laganya, the attack.
Short yun, pero nakuha niya.
Oo,
pa rin
soft
again
touch
for
from
Laganya.
Ong.
Galito
Pero
para
eto.
save. Ong sets
For Tawela. Uy, kitang-kita yun ni Escordial.
Again, Laganya.
Laganya, kita niya walang tao doon pero basa yun ni Corcola. Uy, gandang control doon ni Corcola kahit medyo alanganin.
Yudelmo. ang
Yun
layo
lang.
niya. Hindi niya na-return na maayos.
Medyo nag-alangan siya kung out or or mag-in kaya medyo nag-alangan siya ng control ng bola, malayo.
Nahawi niya yung kamay niya.
Oo.
And it's gonna be 1 point more for Sagility here to get the set. Ong serves, sets for Corcolia.
Oy! Ang...
What a powerful kill for that lady
Yes.
there, Corcolia.
Yun ang
And
kailangan ng
score
Teletech
for Titek.
para makabawi dito. Pero isang error na lang from Teletech and a good offense or attack from them, matatapos tong game na to. Pero ang sharp tong oo, ayun, napa-over na nga doon si Magno. And sportsmanship top doon on their hands. Makikita mo naman doon.
Apat ang lamang dito ng
Oo.
Sagility 2024 and Corcolia on the service.
No margin for error dito for Corcolia.
Ang ganda ng serve na yun.
Oo.
Escordial gets it.
Magno setting up
Maganya.
pero malayo. Pero eto,
Yudelmo.
Ong setting up for Molina, the attack.
The attack.
Oh!
Score for Titek.
This is the life that Titek is needing, mga ka-ISEMs. Palapit na sila ng palapit.
And nabuhay po ang Titek dun sa
Mhm.
play na yun. 21-24. Tatlo na lang ang lamang na Sagility. 1 more point to
Yes.
win the set for Sagility.
No
And we will
margin
be
for
back,
error.
mga ka-ISEMs.
Yes. Ang sarap panoorin.
And we are back, Panyerong Otto. And
Yes,
we will
Boys Bing.
shout out some of our friends who's watching. Miss Lisel Villaruz, Go Go Sagility.
Yes. And
Go Nin. Go Go.
oo.
Mamaya go na lang yan.
Yes.
Pero shout out sa'yo, Miss Lisel Villaruz and
Yes.
Jeric Evangelio. Go Sagility. Salamat po sa panonood.
Eto,
And,
kapit mga pumupuso sa Teletech, pero eto, sa Agility. Laganya, di attack! Buhay pa po! Pero eto, atake na naman si Laganya! Pero buhay pa! Yudelmo, ibabalik na lang. Eto, Magno, setting up for Laganya again! The swap touch! Oh, setting up for Molina! Pero Tawela gets that! Yun lang, buhay pa! Oh!
Second set. What a run!
Yes!
Both teams. But Sagility gets the point there for the second set.
The intensity nung last play, mga ka-ISEMs.
It's 21-25 is the score. Ang ganda ng ginawa ni Tawela doon.
Oo.
Balik na yun. Pero still, Sagility gets the point for that second set.
Yes.
And they won that second set. So they're 2-0 already.
Yes.
And Titek needs to get a win here for the set.
Tama ka dyan.
Dalawang set ang kailangan nila panalunin para magkaroon tayo ng fifth set
Oo.
to determine who will be the winner in this game.
Oo. Parang gusto parang gusto kang manalo yung Teletech on the third set para may another
habol, no?
Hindi dahil sa gusto ko sila manalo. It's just I really love the play that both teams are giving us
Oo.
here. Ang ganda
ng
eh.
intensity ng both teams. So ayaw nilang matalo.
Oo.
Gusto nila manalo talaga. And
Yes.
we'll see in the third set mga ka-ISEMs and we will be back after this.
Yes. Ang saya. Oo. Control and kasi nila water nila coach goods na makita maglaro ah.
And balik po tayo, Panyerong Otto sa game na to. Again, this is Koy Sping.
Yes.
On this gloomy Sunday together with
Ah, Panyero Odds. And,
Panyero Odds here.
Mhm.
And shout out muna tayo, Panyero Odds, kay Rizal Villaruz. Go
Yes.
for the win sa agility. So thank you so much for the comment. Keep on commenting mga ka-ISEMs.
and on the screen, nakita nyo doon si Molina talking with coach for the setting up for the third set.
Oh, and we are on the third set. Again, recapping, Sagility gets the first and second set. He then needs to get the third and fourth set to have a fifth set to
Yes.
determine who will win this game.
Yes.
And
Endurance ang kailangan dito ng Teletech. Tatlong sunod yung kailangan nilang bunuin para ma-steal itong serye na to.
I agree, no? And dagdag siguro, dagdag diskarte na rin ang strategy, no?
And yung mga miscommunication nila, dapat ma-minimize nila yan. And also, margin for errors.
Panyero, shoutout muna tayo kay Miss Alona.
Yes.
Grace Yap, thank you for the stars. 50
Maraming
stars
salamat
from
po.
Alona. Miss Alona, Grace Yap, thank you so much po sa support.
Thank you. From last season, talagang supportive to si Miss
Miss Alona,
Alona. Maraming salamat po. And also, we are encouraging as well other live streaming viewers natin dyan. If you want to support, please do so. That is
Agree.
much
And
appreciated.
John Ray, Hervias Solido, shout out sa Agility.
Roar! Yun, no? Talagang solid yung ating mga supporters dito sa ating live stream. Maraming salamat po for watching it live. Please like, follow, and share ang ating stream dito, mga
Sabi ni
ka-ISEM.
Miss Alona, Grace Yap, siyempre basta MVP ulit si Laganya. Pero
Yun.
medyo maganda naman ang nilalaro ni Laganya dito
Yes.
sa game na to. And they still have more games to come. Miss Alona, Grace Yap.
Makikita nyo yung
And,
action.
ang laro ni Laganya from last season,
Yes.
hindi talaga nagbago.
Oo,
Ganun pa rin yung
still.
intensity talaga, no?
The IQ niya sa playing and decision making in
Oo.
every time na makikita niya may espasyo ba dito o wala, aatake ba ako, soft touch ko lang ba, ganun yung
Oo.
ginagawa niya
I-kill
dito.
ko ba to?
Mhm.
Maganda yung decision making and yung strategy na ginagawa niya.
Yes.
And that shows with
Ba-
their
bakit din siya MVP
Oo,
from last
and
season?
also that shows kung bakit lamang ng dalawang set ngayon ang sa GDP.
Yes, it really shows. Pero dikit yung laban, di masyadong malayo. Pero eto, kailangan na ng Teletech to compose themselves and steal this third set. Pero eto, sa agility on the service, Molina setting up, number 92. Pero Magno, bibigyan na naman si Laganya. Sumabay pa nga doon si Dalano, pero malakas. And that
Malakas.
is outside.
It's yung kill na yun hindi controlled, no?
Oo.
Sobra nang parang nanggigil siya doon
Yes.
sa tiro na yun.
O baka dahil sa buff ni Dalanon doon, kaya medyo napalakas.
Oo.
Sumabay kasi siya doon eh. Pero eto,
Molina.
uy!
And it's a service error.
Ito yung
1-all is the score.
ito yung kailangan iwasan talaga ng Teletech. Ang mga service error para meron silang laban on the rallies.
I agree. Yun naman yung ano talaga
Goal.
kailangan, no?
Yes. Eto humamas. Humawas.
Sets for
Laganya, soft touch. Kita yun ni Molina. Kaso hindi nakabalik.
Walang tao dun sa pwesto na yun. Dapat nandun si Umawas.
Yes.
Pero umatras siya, no?
Oo.
Kaya hindi nahabol.
Yes. Pero eto,
2-1 in favor of Agility.
another service from Magno. Receive yan. Molina to Tawela. Simpleng
sets
atake
for
lang yun.
Laganya.
Pero ito Laganya.
Uy! Ang sakit nun.
Oo, sa
Pero
dip-dip yun.
Yodelmo
Pero
is
Yodelmo. Uy!
Out! Ang ganda nung return ni Yodelmo na yun, pero out yung
Oo.
tawag ng
Pero on my
official.
end, parang pasok siya. On my end. But official referee will follow.
Magno, service, out again.
Yun.
Pitek. And Panyero Otso, no?
Yes, Quiz
4-1.
Bing, tama ka dyan. So Magno again for this service, very sharp. Medyo nawala pa nga ng control. Uy!
Delmo to Corcolia.
Akala ko.
Number 6 gets the ball. Magno.
Eto, Dalanon.
Oh!
Oh!
Sa gitna.
Mm-mm.
And walang nakakuha nung
Oo.
balik na yon ni Dalanon.
Yes. And maganda dito, may kapalitan si Lagana on the attacks, di ba?
Oo. And while you're on it, Panyero Otto, shout out to John Ray Hervia Solido. Shout out kay Yubin Samson Gagarantao Dasabo.
Yes, shout
to all
out.
of you.
Pero on that last play, Humau-as came up short on that return. Pero eto, Magno again on the service. May timeout ng konti. Pero eto, uy, ang sharp nung ano nun,
Corcolia gets the ball. Umawas.
Tawela.
Oh,
Ah,
that's
parang hindi.
Umawas.
Hindi.
Laganya, short, ang bigay na yon.
Oo. Hindi si Humau-as.
Galindo.
Oo, Galindo, yan.
That's Galindo, I'm sorry.
Oo, pare-pareho kasi yung ganda nila kaya medyo nalilituho kami
Tsaka
dito.
pareho yung length ng buhok. No?
Yes, pero yung ganda ng serbisyo doon.
Magno to Galaganya.
Uy!
And ang lakas ng balik na yon.
Mhm. Another attack, another accurate and puntos ang ibibigay para sa kanyang kupunan dito. Eto, Dalanon.
Serves.
Short nga lang. Ito yung hinihingi naman ng Teletech, yung magkaroon ng service error ang kabila para makalapit-lapit sila. Pero eto, maraming salamat po sa ating mga live viewers dyan. Maraming salamat. Please like, share, and follow our official page.
And an error there
Oo.
by Sabido. Is that Sabido?
Escordial. Service ace para sa ating number 92.
Oh, thank you so much for the 9 million watchers
Yes.
or viewers around the world.
Pero eto, Laganya, ibibigay kay Sabido, aatake ng konti. Tawela. Yoy.
Tumama sa katawan niya, no?
Mhm.
And that's a score for Sagility.
Yes,
8-4.
umaalagwa ng konti. Ang agility na naman dito, and that is not a good news from the side of Teletech. They
Good
need
thing
to
there.
do something. Pero eto yung gagawin ni Corcola. Yun. Mhm.
Short yung balik na yun.
Oo, hindi nga na-calculate ng maayos kung o-over ba yung soft touch niya na yon. Eto. Humau-as. Service. Magno on the set. Medyo nag-alanganan. Laganya na lang yung umabol doon. Pero eto, Molina.
Galito returns it.
Out nga lang. Yun yung sinasabi natin. It's the communication is the key para malaman natin kung sino yung magre-receive or magre-return ng bola
Oo.
and makakontrol nyo.
9-5 is the score. 4-point lead for Sagility. Number 6 serves.
Yudelmo,
Yudelmo.
Molina, to Corcola. Ganda ng palo pero read na basang-basa yun.
Escordial.
Eto. Molina, to Corcola. Ganda nun.
Sabido.
Pero nakakontrol, buhay pa po ang bola. Eto, Molina.
Uy, short.
Medyo short. Mhm. Paatras kasi siya sa net eh.
Oh.
Kaya medyo hindi niya na-calculate na over ba yon. Medyo sneaky move yung gagawing attempt niya doon pero it really came up short.
Correct, and I agree, no? Kung ako, dapat medyo
Sinet na lang niya.
nilaksan yun
Oo,
or
eto,
something.
to Yudelmo. Rolling thunder lang na technique ang binigay doon. Uy! Escordial. Medyo napihit niya yung dalawa niyang kamay na short yung pag-over niya ng bola. Pero eto, babalik kay Yudelmo ang serbisyo.
Yudelmo serves.
Sabido on that receive. Magno hinabol to set it up. Oo, pero eto Molina, setting up to Corcola. Tatatak! Ang ganda nun! Yun ang kailangan ng Teletech to score, yes.
Amazing return by Corcola there.
Very sharp attack and accuracy sa gitna. hinabol man pero hindi na nakontrol.
Hindi na abot. And
Mm.
service error by
Mhm.
Yadelmo.
Oo, parang na-hype up siya doon, napalakas yung serbisyo niya doon. Pero balik sa service, si Sabido dito.
11-7 is the score.
Oy!
Another error.
Miscommunication na naman.
Hindi nakapag-usap doon yung
Yes.
dalawang player from T-Tech.
Yes, we need presence of mind here and communication sa ating teammates.
Yun ang dapat nilang gawin if they wanna
Mhm.
come back in this game. No?
Yes.
And
Yun.
it's out.
Good read
Good
from
read, oh.
Yudelmo na malakas yung serbisyo doon ni Sabido. Balik sa Teletech, Corcola on the service. Ito yung nagbibigay ilaw sa kanila.
Corcola.
Yun no?
Good save by Sabino.
Pero lagpas. Uy,
Berlanon with the save. Talano
Blanca?
again. What a block.
buhay pa! Yun lang.
Ito naman yung balik na yun doon sa libreng gap na yun.
Yes. Corcola on the effort, pero it really came up short. Medyo nawala ng control doon yung follow up ni Molina.
Ang ganda nung hustle ni Corcola doon. And
Oo.
that's what Teletech or T-Tech needs no, in
Oo.
this game. Hindi maganda yung pagkakabasa doon ni Yudelmo.
Oo, maluwag yung gitna doon ng Teletech on that
And there's a
defense.
timeout from T-Tech.
Yes, they really need this to huddle up and compose their team.
Score is 14-8 in favor of Sagility in this third set. And we will be back mga ka-ISEMs
Yes.
after this.
Hindi na may maintain ng Teletech yung depensa. Bigyan lang ng magandang setup mo si Corcola. Accurate naman yung mga palos, pero narinig din naman sa gilid. Maganda depensa nila. Huli.
Error nila ng
Hindi, less. Ito, medyo
And we are back mga ka-ISEMs
Yes.
in this third set of our women's volleyball.
Oo.
T-Tech versus Sagility.
Yes.
14 lamang po ang Sagility dito sa laban na to.
Mhm.
And shoutout muna tayo, Panyerong Otto,
Yes.
Miss Ira Emanuel, go 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 Sagility, Lizel Villaruz, nice serve, nap, Joel, go Ty Molina, and John Soldevilla, go 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 Bea Catetrilia Laganya for the
Yes.
MVP na yarn.
Yun.
Thank you po sa mga comments ninyo and for watching.
Buhay na buhay ang ating comment section.
Shout
Maraming
out
salamat
all.
sa inyo. Pero eto, Escordial on the surface. Molina, binalik lang. Dalanon.
Uy!
Uy!
Pero tumama sa net and that's a
Oo.
score for T-Tech.
Bawal kang dumikit sa net,
Oh, it's a score for Sagility. I mean, sorry about that.
score pala sa agility.
Oo.
Okay. Oy! Medyo nawala sa wisyo doon yung Laganya on the attack. Escordial on the service. Nakuha. Medyo out of control. Tawela on the attack. Pero kuha ni number 6 Magdo. Setting up for Laganya. Tawela twice the block and the success! Yes! Yes!
Iba talaga yung matangkad.
Oo. Basang-basa niya rin doon. Yes, that is a fourth block ni Tawela doon. Courtesy of bilang ni Boss Lance dito. Pero eto, Magno, soft touch, kapos nga lang.
So mga ka-ISEMs, the official score is 16-10.
Yes,
in
official
favor
score.
of Sagility.
And balik kay Molina ang serbisyo. Molina on the chart service, pero tabingi nga lang. And that is an outside. And error na naman sa kanilang serbisyo. Balik kay Magno ang service. Good service. Pero receive yan. Tawela. Drop lang. Sabido. Setting up. Oy, medyo malayo. And malayo sa kakampi niya and malapit sa net. Kaya hindi na-calculate ni Dalamon doon yung
Official score
ano.
is 11-17 pa niya.
Yun,
Checking
11-17.
up on the officials every now and
Uh-huh.
then para tama yung score sa line
Yes.
natin. Tawela with a serve.
Ganda ng servisyo doon. Pero lagan niya!
Another powerful attack pero out ang tawag ng,
Oo.
ng officials.
And may last touch doon yung Titek. Oo.
In ang tawag ng
Hindi.
officials.
Out
natin.
siya kasi tumama sa sa player ng Titek on that attack ni Laganya. Pero eto, Dalamon.
18-11 ang score.
Yes. Magno, soft touch. Basa yan. Ong, setting up. To number 92. Malakas nga lang.
It's 19-11, 8.8 for Sagility.
And eto balik si Ong sa court And Teletech needs her para mabigyan ng mga magandang setup ang ating mga spikers dito from Teletech for Corcolia, Molina, and Tawela as well. Pero eto, balik sa Teletech ang bola for the service. Pero handa na dito yung sa Gili to receive that. Eto, Sabido controls that. Nag-setup, Laganya ang soft touch, pero nahabol ni Yudelmo. Molina setting up for Corcolia. The attack, pasa doon ni Laganya. Laganya, babawi! Gani!
Laganya, bumawi sa
Yes! Parang sinabi niya dan, seminar ka sa akin, ganito umatake ng bola. Sabi niya dito kaya Corcola on that
Hindi siya
attack.
pumayag no, dun sa set, dun sa attack ni Corcolia.
Siya yung
Babawi
dumepensa,
ako.
siya pa yung umatake. Grabe dito si Laganya, makikita niyo yung performance to the highest level. Pero eto, napalakas nga lang yung kanyang service doon. Balik sa Teletech yung bola for the
Oo.
service.
And 5 na lang ang kailangan ng Sagility para makuha nila itong set na to.
Yes.
And if that happens, this means Sagility will win this game. Good save there by Sabido.
Pero binalik na lang ni Escordial. Eto, setting up for Molina. Soft touch. Ang ganda nun. Oo. Nakita niya na medyo hindi kayang paluin. Soft touch na lang.
Oo, maganda rin yung decision.
Yun yung mga IQ ng mga players natin on the air, no? Doon sila nagde-decide kung anong gagawin.
Ong with a serve.
Nice serve, pero kuhang-kuha yan ni number 6. Magno, setting up for Sabido. Kuha yan ng Teletech. Setting up for Corcola. Up! Yun nga lang.
Palo na yun.
Oo. They need to level up their accuracy on the attacks.
Ang lamang ng
Yes.
Sagility dito sa third set na to. Number 6 will serve for Sagility.
Good serve yun. Sharp din.
Corcolia.
Setting up for Molina. Medyo malayo sa kanya yon.
Magno to Laganya.
Laganya! Yes!
Another attack. Another kill for Laganya.
Ganun daw. Pumalo. Sabi ni Laganya.
Eto, i-block mo.
Yeah. Tatlo na lang ang kailangan dito na sa agility. Pero babalik sa kanila. Setting up. Escordial. Malakas. Outside.
Tawag ng referee. 15-22 ang score. Sagility 22, Titech 15.
Yes, ang ganda ng service to ni Yodelmo, pero nakakuha ni Laganya.
Attacks.
Uy,
Good
babalik.
return by
Pero
Yodelmo.
another chance for Sagility to attack. Uy, soft touch lang.
Molina.
Molina.
Laganya.
Eto, Escordial. The block. Kuha. Molina, setting up. Corcola. Magno. Eto, Escordial again. Bablanca, malayo nga lang.
Good save by Yodelmo.
Yes.
Tawera brings it back to the other side.
Magno. Tulaganya.
Laganya.
Corcola. Uy!
Straight yun. Yung balik na yun, no?
Ah.
And it's an error there by Corpolia.
Oo.
And that's gives Sagility the score.
Nakaside kasi siya sa left kaya medyo talagang papunta sa likod yung receive niya.
For Sagility to get the set. Good serve by Sabito.
Ong setting up
Sets
for Tawela.
Laganya, Magno
Kuha yan.
sets
Medyo
for
malakas. Papalo si Tawela doon. Magno,
Magno,
setting up.
setting up.
Sinong papalo? Dalano. Oy!
Uy! Walang tumalo! Akala nila
Oo.
sobra pero
Pasok.
pasok yung tira na yun ni Dalanon.
Napa-atras si Tawela ng masyado. Yung kala niya may kakampi siya doon na magre-receive. Pero eto, balik sa agility, sa Bido.
Serves. Ganda ng service na yun.
Oo.
Corona saves.
Setting up, Tawela.
Binalik lang. Laganya.
Maga-
Magno to Dalanon.
Malakas.
Ang tawag ng referee.
Oo, pero one more point na lang para dito sa agility to take home the win, mga ka-ISEMs. Kapit lang, pupuso pa daw dito ang Teletech on this service. Tingnan natin.
Tatakbo pa ang Tritech dito.
Oo.
Magno to Dalanon. Dalanon. Out.
Out.
Ang tawag ng referee.
17-24. Mahaba pa to para sa Teletech. Puso ang kailangan. Sabido, Magno setting up.
Laganya
Oo.
returns. Yudelmo.
Ong.
Pinaset.
Tumulina.
Sabi
Pero
mo,
eto,
Magno,
sinong tatapos?
Dalanon.
Dalamon. Pero kaya pa. Ong, Tutawela.
Return. Magno sets. Laganya attacks. Yudelmo.
Eto, Ong,
Ong
setting
sets
up.
for Molina.
Molina on that attack. Escordial, kuha niya yan. Pero siya naman yung papalo.
Ong.
Yun nga lang!
And that's a game.
Yes, concluded ang ating set, mga ka-ISEPs.
Sa Agility
Taking
gets
home.
that last point and
Mhm.
taking home the win.
3-0 on that sets.
Ang ganda ng nilaro ng dalawang team na yun
Yes.
dito with Sagility's offense and awareness
Oo.
of Sagility, resilient and persistent to get a win.
Mhm.
Pero they fell short and
Oo.
congratulations to both teams, no?
Oo, for the good performance from this athletic players natin from Sagility and Teletech.
And mga guys, and that's it for our women's volleyball.
Mhm.
T-Tech versus Agility, and Agility takes home the win.
Yes.
And we will have our second game for volleyball.
Yeah.
It's Quezon Men's Volleyball
Mm-mm.
versus Asurion.
Mm.
And we'll see. Isang makitang laban na naman to. It's
Yes, of
men's
course.
volleyball. So talagang matinding
Paluan ang makikita dito.
mangyayari, no?
Lalagabok.
But, we will be back mga ka-ISEPs
Yes.
after this.
We will
And,
relive.
We will relive for the Quezon and Asurion game.
Yes.
Thank
Thank
you so
you.
much for watching.